Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix the error that you are right now seeing on your screen, that is publishing failed, the response is not a valid JSON response. So the error comes whenever you try to update or publish a new post in the block editor of your WordPress website. So right now as you can see, the error is right here. I tried to publish it and it started giving me error, publishing failed, the response is not a valid JSON response. So one of the things that you can do is, suppose now I'm going to a new post, leave. So I will show you right away what's happening and how you can easily fix it. Okay, I am going to how to use this post. Now it is not published yet. Okay, now you can see the post. Here is the post. So now I'm going to hit publish button right here. Are you ready to publish? Click on publish. Now it's updating. Now you can see the error, publishing failed, response is not valid JSON response. But the actual thing is that the post has published. Now we will check right now. We'll go to the all posts and we can see that the post has been published. In fact, it's giving error, but the post has been published. So even if I update it and it's giving error, then also the post will be updated. So actually this error has no meaning in my case. Hopefully it is the same for yours. So I'm going to show you whether the post is published or not. So I have clicked on all posts. How to use WhatsApp on PC. You can see how to use WhatsApp on PC without phone. Now as you can see the status right here, it is published even though it gave the error, right? So suppose it's not working for you, it's not publishing or updating even after giving the error. So what you can do is go to the plugin section and click on add new plugin. Now we are going to use the classic editor. Okay, so at the top only I am saying the classic editor plugin. I already installed it, I have not yet activated it. So if you are not seeing the classic editor plugin, simply use the search option here to find out the classic editor plugin. Now we need to click on activate. Now you can click on activate, then you can go to settings, then go to the writing section. Then you can see the default editors for all users. Now you can check for classic editor right here. Okay. Then another thing what you can do is click on allow users to switch editors, click on yes, then you need to save changes. Okay, now I'm going to the posts. Now you will get two options like edit with block editor or edit with classic editor. So suppose I am going to click on edit with block editor. Now with classic editor you won't get this error. Now many people don't want to use the classic editor, so for them you have to use the both editor in order to publish it. Okay, so I right now I'm editing with block editor. So suppose you want to write a new post, open with the add a new post with the block editor, write everything, then you need to click on three dots right here, on the left hand side, whether it is giving more tools and options, click here, then switch to the classic editor from here. Okay, now you'll see the classic editor. So after writing the new post, switch to the classic editor and hit the publish button or hit the update button. So I already published this post, so no need to update or publish. So you can switch to the classic editor and you can publish it from here. So this is how you can fix this error, or mainly this is a workaround for the error. So thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos on WordPress. Thank you.